First and foremost, let me wish all of you my greetings on the occasion of the Foundation Day of State Bank of India. As rightly said by the chief guest, well, the bank should always think of the persons who have kept the bank running, the past, the present. And also, it is our duty to see that the banks moves forward and see for the future also that bank should be there to serve the public and the customers for decades and decades and decades. Well, really, State Bank has got a very big history, very long history. When you think of, I actually personally, which I have seen, the bank, which is the largest network, functioning from so many remote places in the country and with a wide network internationally, there's a lot of difference between the service you give in the metros, the urban and the rural. Well, in a metro, what a customer expects, his work should be finished within minutes. Well, you have the system, you have the banking system where you can just do it with the touch of a button. But at the same time, you go to a rural village, what does a customer in a rural village expect from you? You do the same thing by touching a button, he is not happy. I know most of my colleagues who have worked in the rural branches, they would experience this. I have experienced this. You finish his work within minutes, he is not happy. What he expects you to do is, when he comes to the bank from his village, it is almost some miles away, with a conveyance, with only one bus coming in the morning, another bus going back to his village from this place in the evening. He would like to sit with you, chat with you, have a cup of tea with you, and then get his work done, and then he'll say goodbye, and then he'll go. That is the type of banking, that is the type of service which he requires. But you compare that with a branch in a metro or urban. Everybody is fast, nobody looks for the other. He would like it to be finished in minutes. Well, this bank, the staff are tuned to these two types of conditions, and that is State Bank of India. I have seen this, I have experienced this. Well, as rightly said, there are certain areas where we have to improve ourselves, as the CGM has said. This organization will have to move forward. And one more thing is, well, we have to see the vision, the future, and the people who have made it possible for this bank to have completed the 206th year should be complimented. And not only that, we have to take it further and see that the future is bright for the bank. So let us not stop here. Let us take the bank forward. Let us rededicate ourselves. Let us take a pledge today on the occasion of the Foundation Day to keep the bank floating high, do our best, be excellent in your service. I know even excellence can be improved. So let us keep up our work, dedication and the concentration, and let us take this bank forward. And I'm sure in days to come, the State Bank of India will always be in the top. It should remain in the top. Let us take that vision today, and I wish once again all the members of the State Bank family a happy Foundation Day and a happy birthday. And thank the organizers for giving me this good opportunity to meet all of you today. Thank you very much.